Morning from Canada. This is my neighborhood. It's quite chilling right now, but yeah, it's nice. Ah, look. It's cold. What?
Yeah, when it's video and it won't go back and forth.
See,
I think mine does.
I don't know why. But we're going to the office here to make an insurance.
Yes.
Yeah, insurance for a truck.
Okay.
Can go there?
Yeah.
Are you sure?
I do it all the time.
Go there like that?
Easy.
Huh?
Yeah.
Easy.
It's a good truck. It's a little loud, but it's a good truck.
Are you sure? Or I'm gonna walk.
Oh, I can make it up there real easy.
Are you sure?
People do this all the time, baby. This is Canada.
Oh.
The safest place you can be is in your seat with the seatbelt turned quick in.
Hi, are you sure, huh?
Absolutely.
Yeah, it's so noisy, everyone.
Yeah, baby. Woo! Get up, you. Yeah. Come on, horse. Get up there, you.
So bumpy, guys. Sorry for that. Nandito na kami. Manguha og kahoy. Kaya wala may kahoy.
Teddy asked to Pete, don't video that.
Of course.
I'm a little shy.
Pindot kay ang kuanday, ang kuan sa tawag ani. Ang panahon. Muna og ta may tatagkuan. Oops. Di ba ang layo namin? Ang layo na nung puntahan mo. Yeah. Yung surroundings ko, guys. Look. Manguha mi og kahoy diri. Chill lang siya. And kani nga kahoy dili siya mo baliktad. Uy, makalagot man ni siya. Uy, dili siya mo baliktad. Yan, di siya mo baliktad. Dapat ibaliktad natin to, guys, no? Hindi ko nga alam paano to ibaliktad. Sarang! Diba? Ang ganda. Ang ganda ng view. Ayan, bulaklak. Itong puno na to ang kunin namin at saka yung isa. Yeah. At nandito si Uncle Ted.
Putting on his pants.
Ting 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 ting. Maganda dun. Ang ganda ng view. Ayun, humanami og pangahoy. Manguli nami. Then, mga tumi sa akong ugangan. Kaya isa na bilhin dito silang balay. And dito tapos may miniod to. It's a yellow house. They call it yellow house, but there is a different kind of food inside. So you just need to open, and nobody's inside. Oh, they have popcorn. Look. They have popcorn.
Have tons of popcorn at home.
Yeah.
Where'd you find that jam?
Here.
Oh, good. Peach, orange, strawberry. Mm-hmm.
Your car is so nice. What's this?
You want a muffin?
It's moisturizer, yeah. Yes, please. How about we're almost home. This is the town of Hudson's Hope. Ding 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 ding. Just like an igloo. You better keep quiet.